So today I am here to tell you about the thing that is glycolysis. So you remember we have discussed a topic, Krebs cycle. Now after that there is a very important topic, and that is nothing but glycolysis, which is also included in the chapter, yes, respiration in plants. So guys, this is also one of the most important topic for NEET examination, and today I am going to tell you each and everything with respect to glycolysis. So we'll start with the part that is glycolysis. So I'll start first of all explaining the steps one by one, and as you know, we are going to discuss a very important mnemonic for keeping glycolysis in mind till the last moment. I know that, yes, teaching biology is learn with fun. So we'll start with the topic glycolysis. So students, I have already written over there what is glycolysis. So you can see here I have written the part in splitted form. So you can see glyco. Glyco means glucose and lysis means the breakdown. Or you can say when the glucose will break down, it will give the product as pyruvic acid. So guys, you know that what is the basics of glycolysis? Glycolysis is the breakdown of glucose into pyruvic acid. So yes, now as yesterday I told you, Krebs cycle is 10-step pathway. Krebs cycle is 10-step pathway. Similarly, glycolysis is also 10-step pathway. If you look at this pathway, yes, it is one of the metabolic pathway. Hence, you can see here I have written already step by step 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So again I want to repeat, glycolysis is 10-step pathway. Fit this in your mind. Finished. Now, again, when I am talking about 10-step pathway, it is divided into 5 steps. So yes guys, first of all I want to tell you glycolysis is divided into 2 stages. One is preparatory phase and another one is payoff phase. So guys, preparatory phase is also called as energy spending stage. So I am writing here, it is also known as spending stage. Why? Because ATP is utilized in the preparatory phase. Guys, this is the most important point. Preparatory phase. So if you look at this particular pathway, it is 10 steps and these 10 steps are divided into 5 steps each. So yes, it is systematically represented. 5 steps on this side, 5 steps on this side. Finished. Now, this is what spending stage, and the another one is payoff. Payoff means it is also known as conserving stage. Why? Because energy is synthesized. ATP is synthesized. Yes guys, here ATP is utilized and here ATP is synthesized. So what it means? Preparatory phase is spending, energy utilized. Payoff phase is conserving, energy is synthesized. Now for the examination of NEET, what is important? In which of the following step ATP is utilized? In which of the following step ATP is synthesized? Yes guys, I am going to tell you that later on. Now look at this. Whatever is important here I have already written. In preparatory stages there are 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the first step I would like to tell you, if there is no glucose, what? If there is no glucose, then what? So there may be a possibility that there will be a starch. There may be a possibility that there is a sucrose, lactose, whatever. It may be polysaccharide or it may be a disaccharide, trisaccharide. So guys, it has to be first converted itself into the glucose. So we'll take example here. Okay, there is a in case of plants, sucrose is the major source which is synthesized by the process of photosynthesis. So sucrose will be broken down first to glucose by the action of enzyme invertase, and then you will get the starting substrate of the glycolysis, and that is nothing but the glucose. Guys, have a look at this. There is 1 mole of glucose. So this is very important. 1 molecule of glucose. So yes, 1 molecule of glucose at the last produce 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Have a look at this. Guys, you have to keep this thing in mind. For the first 5 steps, there is everywhere 1 molecule, and from step number 6 onwards, yes, look at this. In each of the step, I would like to write down here 2, 2, 2, 2, and finally also 2. So guys, this is the very important thing which is asked in NEET. So on left hand side, all molecules, they will be single one, and on the right hand side, there are 2 molecules are formed. So I hope you are getting me. 1 molecule of glucose giving 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Finished. Now we'll come to the main part. That in which step ATP is utilized. Look at the step number 1 and 3. So as I yesterday only told you, step numbers are very important. So here also, step number 1, 3, 7, 10. Guys, keep these numbers in mind. Step number 1, 3, 7, 10. 1, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 1, 3, 7, 10 are associated with ATP. 1, 3, 7, 10. 1, 3, 7, 10. Finished. Now guys, at step number 1 and 3, 1 ATP is utilized. Please take a note of this. In NEET, they will ask you the question that in which of the following step ATP is utilized. Yes. So 1 ATP will be utilized here, and 1 ATP will be utilized here. So guys, 2 ATP molecules are required for preparatory phase. Is it clear? 2 molecules of ATP are required for preparatory phase. So guys, this is all about the main thing what is asking me. Now come to this part. Step number 6. Guys, please take a note of this. Step number 6 is the one where NADH2 molecules are synthesized. How many? Yes, how many? 2 NADH2 molecules are synthesized. How many molecules? 2 NADH2. Guys, this has been asked in energetics part. So, at step number 1 and 3, 1 ATP is utilized, means total 2 ATPs are utilized in preparatory phase. Now, look at the step number 7 and 10. Yesterday I told you substrate level phosphorylation. Yes, the ATP which is formed during the metabolic pathway itself, it is known as substrate level phosphorylation. So guys, step number 7 and 10. Look at this, step number 7 and 10. ATP are synthesized. Now you will ask me, sir, what is the number? Yes, here 2 ATP molecules are synthesized. Here also 2 ATP molecules are synthesized. So guys, in payoff phase, 4 ATPs are synthesized. In preparatory stage, 2 ATPs are utilized. And yes, the major question, that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So dear students, this is the net ATPs formed in glycolysis. So are you getting my point? Hello? Yes. I want this thing from you people. You just respond. In preparatory phase, 2 ATPs are utilized. In payoff phase, 4 ATPs are formed. And 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 means what is the net gain of glycolysis? 2 ATP. Guys, wait a minute. I have not explained you about NADH2. If this NADH2 enters in electron transport chain, the number of ATPs will be different. But now presently we are talking only about glycolysis and its ATP gain. So again I would like to tell you what is the net ATP gain of glycolysis? Only 2 ATP molecules. Now as you know, we are going to discuss the glycolysis in a very simple way. Let's see, I just consider preparatory and payoff phase to ourselves. Guys, you are preparing for NEET means you are in preparatory phase. So you are joining many coaching classes, institutes where your parents pays fees. Yes. So guys, here your phase is spending. You are spending money. Your parents are spending money. So preparatory phase, your money is getting spent. In payoff phase, guys, after 6 years you will become MS, MD or a well-known doctor where you are going to earn money. So yes, you will earn in like lakhs, crores, and yes, you will give payoff to your parents. Yes, you will pay off to your parents means you will conserve. Means now you are spending and after 5, 6 or maybe 10 years you will conserve. So guys, this is all about glycolysis where I have not told you any specific mnemonic or the enzymes involved in it. In the next part, I am going to discuss that thing with you. Okay,